In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix lag in Overwatch 2. So first thing you want to do is you want to go here. So you want to go here, type in run and type in percent local app data percent. Press OK. Now these are unnecessary folders that you can safely delete. So Control A, select all of them and just delete. So once you're done with this, now you want to go to run again. Type in percent temp percent, and here you want to delete these folders as well. So Control A, select them all and delete. And then you want to type in here. So you want to go to this folder, go to C drive, and then go to Windows. Over here, find prefetch. So this is prefetch. And here you need to right click on everything, select everything and delete them. So these are unnecessary folders. You can safely delete them. Once you're done with this, go here and type in disk cleanup. Here you need to select everything here and just delete. Click OK to delete and clean your drive. So once you're done with this, go to CMD here, run as administrator. And here you're gonna write the following commands. So ipconfig flush DNS, and then netsh winsock reset, and then netsh int ip reset, and then netsh winsock reset catalog. And the last command, write netsh int ip reset log.txt. After this command finishes, now you can close this down. Next thing you can do is go to task manager. So here you'll see startup apps. So I recommend disabling unnecessary apps that are running in the background. So you can do this by right clicking and click display. So these are apps that will start automatically once you start your PC. So make sure you just right click and disable as many apps as possible, so this can minimize the usage on your CPU. So you don't need to have multiple apps running. So here, as you can see, I have so much apps. So what I would do is right click, exit Steam. I would go here again, right click, exit Roblox player. You need to simply empty unnecessary folders and apps. So once you're done, this should fix your issue.